Hello students of class 10, I welcome you to the second session of arithmetic progression, also known as AP. These are few formulae which I have already explained in the first session. Now in this session I am going to just give you a reminder about these two special conditions. Sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first n odd numbers is equal to n square. Please keep these two things in mind. It has got various applications elsewhere. Now here is a question. The sum of three numbers in AP is 27 and their product is 405. Find the numbers. Now in the previous class I asked you to take few assumptions, like if three numbers are in AP, what you are going to assume, if four numbers are in AP, what you are going to assume, etc. Now why those assumptions I am going to explain here. Let the numbers in AP be A minus D, A and A plus D. Now according to problem, A minus D, A and A plus D, if you add, you are getting 27, from where easily you can find out the value of A. Okay, now in the second condition it's also given their product is 405, so A minus D into A plus D is 405, which brings you to this part where you are getting A square minus B square form. Okay, this becomes easier for while calculating various things. Now see, over here we are getting 81 minus d square is equal to 45. After simplifying, find the value of d square. D is equal to plus minus 6. Now plus minus 6 has two significance. If d value is minus 6, then the three numbers are 15, 9 and 3, and d value is plus 6, the three numbers are 3, 9 and 15. So there are two series of numbers, so you have to answer both of them. Okay, now we come to a special problem. You won't find the problem elsewhere, but this is a problem in AP series only. Now how many people attended a party if there are 66 handshakes provided each people shook hands with every other just once? Now amidst all the chaos that is going on in the outside world, we have forgotten about handshaking and everything, but still it's a reminder of older times. So now this is the question. We will assume, suppose there are 5 people, A, B, C, D, E. Now see, I have drawn with arrows. A is shaking hand 4 times with B, C, D, E. Similarly, B is shaking hands with C, D, E. And if you go on like this, by the time we arrive at E, we do not need to draw any arrows. Why? Because E has already shaken hand with all of them, A, B, C and D. Remember, the question is each people shook hands with every other just once. So when you are shaking hands with someone, it means the other person is also shaking hand. So now 5 people means you have to add 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. This is just for your own self explanation. Now the solution, how you are going to write, if there are n people in the party, there are 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 n plus n minus 1 handshakes. Now we know that sum of n natural numbers, first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So what will be the sum of n minus 1 natural numbers? So replace n by n minus 1 over here. Okay, n minus 1 you have replaced. Over here if you replace n minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancels and you get n. Now according to the problem, there are 66 handshakes. So if you equate this with 66, we simplify it and get a quadratic equation where n square minus n minus 132 is equal to 0. So now n square minus 12n plus 11n minus 132 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 11 and plus 12. Number of people can't be negative, so there were 12 people who attended the party. So this is an application of arithmetic progression as well as quadratic equation. Anyway, we got to remember the norms of social distancing and forget about handshakes, but we can do pray for the people who are suffering due to this chaos and the cyclone which has passed away, devastating whole of Bengal and Orissa. Thank you, take care and stay at home.